happy people, I'm back with another video and welcome to day 8 of my 12 days of Swatchmas series. This is my second annual 12 days of Swatchmas, and in this series I am swatching all of the gel polishes and some acrylics that I have in my nail collection. I hope you all are enjoying the series so far. Today I'm going to be swatching out some affordable gel polishes that I got from Amazon. It's by the brand Modelones, and yeah, you guys stay tuned for day 8 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. So this here is the gel polish kit that I got from Amazon. It is a 9-piece gel polish kit, and again, it's from the brand Modelones. I have tried Modelones products in the past, in particular their base and top coat, and I really think their top coat is really good. But yeah, this piece comes with this set comes with 9 pieces, and it also, I believe, has a builder gel in it. But it does say Coloring Life on the side here, and on the back it shows like the ingredients and storage and things like that. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and hop this open and see what it's talking about. Ooh, oh, cute, y'all. Cute, cute, cute. So this comes with a really nice pamphlet here. It says it's the product catalog from Modelones. So if you guys are interested in, wow, yeah, okay. So if you all want to learn more about Modelones and their products and what they offer, I know I have friends that are really obsessed with their dehydrator and primer. And like I said, their base and top coat is really good. But yeah, it shows all the different collections and all the different products that they offer. So that's really cool. Looks like they got different bottles as well. Dip powders. Oh, I think I think one of my very first dip powder sets was actually from Modelones. They had like a glow in the dark dip powder set. I forgot they had dip powders. That's right. Let's see. Okay, yeah, they have their color cubes. I actually have those products as well. I haven't swatched them on my channel yet, but I do have these. Very cute. They got poly gel. Okay, dual forms, acrylic brushes. Got the acrylic. Okay, Modelones. Okay, I do have their monomer. I bought their monomer like 2 or 3 years ago, you guys, and it is strong. I actually have not even used it to this day because of how strong it is. When I ordered it from Amazon, I smelled it through the packaging, and it kind of scared me with like how strong the scent was. And so I still have their acrylic liquid, their monomer. I just have not used it yet because the strong was like definitely, it was just so strong. Let me see what else they got. They got regular nail polish, cuticle oils, cuticle creams. Okay, that's pretty cool. Looks like Modelones has a lot of cool products. Okay. All right, so this here is this gel polish set. So this one, it comes with a builder gel, which I was really excited about. That's one of the things that actually drew me to this set. I did want to try out what their builder gel was like. So it has a builder gel, has a base coat, has a top coat, and it also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different gel polishes. So let's hop into this. Okay, so these are all the polishes that come in that kit. I first want to start off with the builder gel. It is a clear builder gel as it shows here. I just want to see that really quick. So these bottles, they are 7 ml bottles, so they are like the smaller sizes. But yeah, let's hop into this and see what it is looking like. Ooh. It is very thick. That's a very, very thick formula for the builder gel, and I love when the builder gels are thick. I think the thicker the better because it gives you more control over the product. So that is what it's looking like. I'm going to be really excited to get that swatched out. And then it also has the base coat. I do have the bigger size bottle of the Modelones base and top coat. Like I said, I think their base and top coat is really good. So this is what the 15 ml bottles look like, and this is what the miniature bottle looks like in this set. And again, it's 7 ml. Okay, I think this is more of a looser viscosity for a base gel. Nothing wrong with that, so that's nice. We have their top coat, which I know is a little bit more of a thicker formula, which I definitely prefer. Okay, so this is what the top coat looks like. Definitely a little bit thicker. which I think is a good thing. And then let's get into the colors that's included in this collection. First color we have here is a 0453. And the bottle does have like a little window where you can kind of see like a little preview of the color. Oh my goodness. This is a gorgeous, vibrant summertime blue color. That's really pretty. 0732. Wow. Really bright, beautiful neon pink color. Okay, looks like this is like a summer collection. Absolutely beautiful. Love that. 0772. Oh my goodness. Really beautiful neon green. Or neon yellow maybe. Very, very pretty. I love that. 0909. That's a really beautiful purple. It's a little bit muted compared to the other neon colors in this collection, but still a great purple nonetheless. 1029. That's a really beautiful mint green color. Love that. Very pretty. And then last but not least, we have 1960. This here is a really beautiful neon peach color. Absolutely gorge. And I'm going to get to swatching these colors out, but before I do that, I do want to showcase really quick some gel polishes that I got from Amazon that I saw on sale. It was the Modelones black and white. I did find also this set on Amazon. It came with the Modelones base and top coat, in addition to the Modelones black and white. So since I've already shown you guys the base and top coat, I'm not going to show it again, but I thought this was a pretty cool deal. I think it was like $3 or $4. So yeah, I found this set on Amazon as well. And really quick, I just want to show you guys the black and white that I got from this is also. So this here is the Modelones black. Very pretty. It is a very beautiful stark black color. And then we got the Modelones white, which is 0555. I didn't mention the black was 029. 0629 was for the black. And for the white is 0555. Ooh, that's a really nice white as well. All right, y'all, let's get the swatching. 0453. This is a beautiful blue, super, super pigmented. Wow. Very gorge. Love that. 0732. Very beautiful, vibrant pink color. Gorgeous. This one does seem like it's just a tad sheer than the first color. But I know with 2 coats of coverage, it's going to look beautiful. This pink is beautiful. Very, very vibrant. 0772. Wow. Y'all, this is like a highlighter green or highlighter yellow. Very, very beautiful color. Can't get enough of this. Wow. Gorgeous. Or 0909. 1029. Beautiful mint green. Love that color. 1960. Very beautiful peach color. Zero 0629. Okay. That's a pretty good black. That's a good standard black color. I'm not mad at that. 0555. Okay. Yeah, it's a really nice white. Very pretty. Very nice white. Going with 2 coats of all these colors. I'll be right back. Okay, I just realized I forgot to showcase the builder gel from this collection. That's what I was most excited about. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how it applies to the nail. Okay, yeah, that's really nice. It applies really smooth. Even though it's of a thicker consistency, it applies very smooth. And I have no doubt in my mind that it would be any issue building up, you know, any thickness on the nail. So I'll go ahead and do that and demo that for you guys really quick. So if you wanted to build up a little bit more structure to the nail, you could do that here with this. I actually like builder gel in a bottle. I feel like it's really easy to work with. Look at that. Very nice. I'm gonna flip it over just to let it self-level. And then I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. We'll come back and see if there's any yellowing to it at all. So this is what that builder gel is looking like swatched out. It does look like, no, I think it looks good. I don't think there's any yellowing to it. Does it look like there's any yellowing? It's hard to tell. I mean, it looks like there's ever so slight yellowing to it, but nothing that's like super noticeable. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good builder gel. I'm gonna go in with a top coat as well and see what it looks like once it's sealed. Alrighty, so this is what all these colors are looking like swatched out. This is an absolutely beautiful summertime collection. Like I mentioned, these are the 6 colors that came in this collection along with that builder gel base and top coat. And then these 2 are the polishes that I bought off to the side. It's just a black and a white that also came with a base and top coat. So let's take closer looks at each one. First color we have here is 0453, which is just really beautiful blue. It's just like, it gives me like poolside vibes. It's a really beautiful, gorgeous summertime blue. Next we have this very vibrant neon pink color. It's 0732. I absolutely love this pink. It is so cute. 0772, which is this really beautiful electric highlighter green / yellow color. Absolutely love this color. I feel like this would be so cute for some summertime nails. 0909, which is this really beautiful muted purple color. 1029, which is a gorgeous mint green color. 1960, which is a really beautiful vibrant peachy color. 0629, which is a gorgeous black. It's a nice black. It definitely takes 2 coats of coverage to build up the opacity of it, but it's a good black. And same goes for 0555, which is a really beautiful white. I also really like this white as well. It's a little bit of a softer white and not super stark. This is one that I could see doing an all white nail set with. So yeah, y'all, I really enjoyed these colors from Modelones. I think that the Modelones formula is really good. I feel like most of these colors are pretty opaque with just 1 coat, but definitely go in with 2 coats of coverage to get that full opacity. I love the consistency of their builder gel. Matter of fact, I forgot to show you guys. This is what the builder gel looks like with that top coat on it. It is ever so slight yellowing with the top coat added on, but still, I mean, I feel like it would be really nice to build out some nice strong nails with, especially if you're using it on your natural nails, if you wanted to use it to enhance press-on nails. So yeah, I really like the Modelones formula. Like I said, I've been a fan of their base and top coat for a little while, and so I'm excited to try out more of their gel polishes. Again, I like the formula, I like the consistency. I felt like it self-leveled beautifully, and they have a really big catalog of products, and so Like I said, I've tried their dip powders in the past and I did enjoy them. They were finely milled. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Again, this is day 8 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. Come back tomorrow. I'm going to be swatching some more affordable gel polishes from Amazon. I think I'm going to be doing Gayoi or either Saviland. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. I hope you all are enjoying the series so far. And yeah, y'all, let me know what's been your favorite brand and or gel polish collection that I've swatched thus far in my 12 days of Swatchmas series. And also, I do have a dedicated playlist for all of my 12 days of Swatchmas thus far, including my 12 days of Swatchmas from last year. This is my 2nd annual one, so definitely click the link in the description if you guys want to see that playlist. But yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye!